In this video, I will show you how to remove the website redirection in Cpanel. So let's start the video process. First, log into Cpanel with Cpanel username and password. And in Cpanel settings page, click here and enter Redirects section. In his Redirects page, you will see all the website redirects in Cpanel. To delete a website redirect, you need to click this delete link. And again confirm removing the website redirect by clicking this Remove Redirect button. And done, removing the website redirection in Cpanel. With this we have come to the end of this video. Please like, comment, and share my video if it was helpful, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get updates.